Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Audi Q3? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The Audi's dashboard combines modern design with advanced functionality, creating a sophisticated and driver-focused cabin. At the center is a digital cluster display that provides clear, real-time information on speed, fuel, navigation, and other essential driving data. An additional LCD display enhances the experience, offering easy access to entertainment options. The gear display is seamlessly integrated, allowing drivers to monitor transmission status at a glance. Climate controls are thoughtfully positioned, making it simple to adjust temperature and airflow for maximum comfort. The multifunctional steering wheel adds convenience, enabling control of audio, calls, and driver assist systems without taking hands off the wheel. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Central warning lamp, seat belt, drive system, brake system, electromechanical parking brake, air suspension, steering, takeover steering prompt, lane departure warning, emergency assist, takeover braking prompt, swerve support, active front assist, proactive occupant protection, cross-traffic information, software update, assisted parking, fault, AdBlue fault, AdBlue, engine oil level, minimum, engine oil pressure, electrical system, cooling system, central locking system, loose wheel warning, bulb monitor, battery and remote control key, adaptive light, headlight range control, windscreen wipers, light sensor or rain sensor, convenience key, safety systems, drive system, gearbox, brake pads, vehicle sound, hold function, brake system, air suspension, suspension control, electronic stabilization control off, four-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system, electronic stabilization control, distance warning fault, towing bracket, exit warning system, side assist, distraction warning, fatigue warning, lane guidance, takeover steering, adaptive cruise control fault, rock crawl, proactive occupant protection, camera-based traffic sign recognition, rear cross traffic assist, parking aids, emergency call function, assisted parking, fault, fuel tank system, software update, particulate filter, emission control system, engine warm-up requested, engine oil sensor, loose wheel warning, washer fluid level, tire pressure low, side lights, dipped headlights, turn signals right, turn signals left, trailer turn signals, stop and start indicator, predictive speed limiter, cruise control, speed limit lifted, efficiency assist, corner, exit, intersection, predictive cruise, stop sign roundabout, gradient, stop sign without detected stop line, engine, child lock, vehicle ahead, door lock, occupant detection with warning tone, auxiliary heating, rear seat belt, trailer assist, brakes, speed warning function, trailer assist off, information on automatically, distance warning, temporarily deactivate intervention, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.